In today's video, I will show you how to start a Skool community and set up your SOP library. Step by step and easy to follow. We'll go through this in 4 simple steps: creating your community, structuring your classroom, building your SOP library, and making it work for your members automatically. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, if you want to follow along, use the link in the description below. That is my personal Skool link, and it gets you access to the same platform I am using right now. There's a free trial available, so there's really no reason not to jump in. Go grab it. Let's build. Alright, step 1, creating your Skool community. Head over to Skool and click on the arrow sign indicating switch communities and click on create a community. It's going to show up another button and click on create your community and choose the hobby plan, which is $9 per month, and try for free. So if you already had a community before, your card details will already populate and you can just add a group name. So you'll be asked to name your community. Keep it clear, niche specific, and searchable. Now if you already have a community and you want to create an SOP library, private works the best. So once you have that group name, click on start free trial. And the reason why you want to go private is because it keeps your systems protected and adds value for paying members of your team. Once that is done, you've got your foundation. Now let's set up where everything actually lives. Setting up the classroom. Click on the classroom tab inside your community. This is where your SOPs will all live. Click on new course and name it something like SOP library, or if you want to keep it simple, Operations Hub. So once you have the course name and the course description filled out with the name that you actually like, click on add. You can delete this new page, then start adding categories underneath. Think of these like folders. For example, onboarding SOPs, content SOPs, client or admin SOPs. You don't need to build everything right now. Start with the categories that matter the most to your workflow today. Quick side note, if you have not grabbed the link yet, it's sitting right there in the description. Use it to follow along and to get your free trial started. Now back to the video. Step 3 is where it gets really powerful. Building your actual SOP content inside Skool. Inside each category, you can click on the triple dot and add a page. This translates into adding a lesson. Now here's how I structure every single SOP. First, a short loom or a screen recorded video at the top. So if you click on this pencil icon, which is edit, you can put a video. You can put a video by clicking on the YouTube icon that's color white. So it's either going to be asking you for a YouTube Loom or Wistia link, or you can drop the video itself. So I have uploaded the video, and as you can see, it is displaying properly in the page. As a rule of thumb, you need to keep it under 5 minutes. People don't read, but they will watch any video that you upload. So below that, you can add the steps using the text editor. So if you click on the bottom part of the video, you can continue on writing. This is the part where you can attach the SOP template. And every SOP you build should answer 3 questions. What is this process? Who does it? And how exactly do they do it? That's it. Keep it simple and keep it repeatable. So I'm going to put in my title, which is Instagram Reel Creation. And I already have an SOP ready to be copy pasted into the lesson. As you can see, it carries over any format that you have created. So bullets, emojis, and spacing. That's a good thing. Once you're satisfied with how your SOP looks, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Save. Now for step 4, which is making it all work automatically. Click on the community settings by clicking on your name first. Click on Settings and set up a welcome post or an automated DM for new members. So keep in mind, the automated DM is in the plugins tab. As you can see, this is only available if you are subscribed to Pro. So if you wish to upgrade to Pro, you can click on the button it's going to let you upgrade to Pro, still as a free trial, but you're going to be paying $99 per month starting on the time the free trial ends. So always make sure to double check and see if your due date is nearing. That way you don't end up spending more than what you should have. So what both of these features do is it makes sure that you direct the new members straight to the SOP library. No confusion, no where do I start messages. They land and they know exactly where to go. You can also lock certain modules and drip them over time. So if you click out of this and then go back to your classroom, click on your library, and then click on the triple dot of the lesson itself. And then you can see that there is a drip status in here. So same thing as my previous video. If you turn this on and you set the days in here, that means that this lesson will open 3 days after the member has joined. So if we click on save, that means that this specific lesson will be locked, not until after 3 days. This is perfect if you're onboarding new team members gradually, or if you're selling access as a structured course. The goal is simple, honestly. Someone joins, they immediately know where to go, and the system does the explaining for you. That's the whole point of an SOP library. It takes you out of the repetitive stuff so you can focus on growth. And that's it. Your Skool SOP library is live. Don't wait until it's perfect. I can't say that enough. Get one SOP in there today, then add more every week. That's completely fine. No one is chasing you. The community runs better the moment your first process is documented. If you want to get started, the link is in the description below. Free trial, same tool that I use every day. Hit subscribe if this helped. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one, okay?